Welcome to Chapter 5, Lesson 6, where you're going to learn how to apply color to text. The first thing I need you to do is make sure that you have your last name, first name, Oahu Magazine cover file open. Then you're going to take your selection tool and come down and click on Twist and Shout so that the text frame is selected. And then there is an option down at the bottom of your tool panel, and it's called the Formatting Effects Text button. So if we hover over this guy down at the bottom, it's called the Formatting in Text, and you can hit J to select it, or you can just click on this key. And now what I want you to do is come over to your swatches panel. So if it's not open, opening up your swatches panel, making sure that that T is active and not the box behind it, scrolling down to the swatches you created and selecting the gold swatch. And because the text box is selected, all the text within that box will be affected by the changes. So now taking your selection tool, clicking on the amazing text, going to your text or formatting effects text, coming back to your swatches panel, making sure that T is active again, changing this to pink, and then one last time clicking on the box that has Maverick in it, clicking your Formatting Effects Text option, coming to your swatches, making sure that text is active, and then scrolling down and selecting the green 25%. It's very important that when using this that you don't have the no fill or the thing without the text or the T in it active, because it will not change the color of your text. So go ahead and save your document here and move on to the next lesson.